best tortilla roll-ups recipe. Alright, let's kick things off by mixing our cream cheese, sour cream, and ranch dressing mix in a large bowl. I like to make sure my cream cheese is at room temperature. It makes everything blend together so much smoother. Just keep mixing until you've got a nice, creamy consistency without any lumps. Time to add all our amazing flavors. Grab your shredded cheddar, those zesty green chiles, chopped olives, and those fresh green onions. I love how colorful this is getting. Just fold everything together until all these delicious ingredients are evenly distributed throughout our cream cheese mixture. Now comes the fun part. Let's get spreading. Take one of your floured tortillas and spread a generous, even layer of our mixture all the way to the edges. You want to make sure you're covering the entire surface, but don't go too thick or it'll squeeze out when we roll it up. Here's where we need to channel our inner sushi chef. Starting from one edge, we're going to roll these tortillas up nice and tight. Think about keeping it snug, but not so tight that all the filling squeezes out. Once you've got it rolled, wrap each one individually in plastic wrap. This helps them hold their shape. These beauties need some chill time in the fridge, at least TWORs. But honestly, I usually make them the night before. This resting time lets all those flavors mingle together and helps the roll-ups firm up, which makes them way easier to slice later. When you're ready to serve, unwrap your rolls and slice them into about inch-thick rounds. If you find they're a bit soft, pop them back in the fridge for a few minutes. You'll get cleaner cuts with a sharp knife, and you can wipe it clean between slices for those picture-perfect pinwheels. By the way, since many of you ask about this kitchen knife set that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.